So in today's experiment, we are going to draw the current time characteristics for the fuse. Okay, so let's start with that on the ETAP software. So from this, this is the main screen for the ETAP, and from here just open the blank document first. Name it anything like fuse. Okay, because I am going to draw the fuse current time characteristics now. Okay, it's already existing. So I'm going to rename it like this. And so now this is my main screen editor for the ETAP. And from here, firstly, I have to select the fuse. Here is the fuse, and just drag it on the main window. Okay, and just select it. Color changes to red. Just double click it. Okay, so after double click on the screen, we got this fuse editor is there. Just go to the rating. Okay, and here it is 0, 0, and just select the library. And on the library, select anything. So this one is firstly the standard ANSI or IEC. You can select anything. And these are the list of manufacturers: ABB, Alice Calmers, Brush, Bussmann, Chance. Okay, you can select any manufacturer, then AC, DC. Okay, then different models are there, different sizes are there. Okay, so I am going to select this the first option on in everything and just press it here. Okay, like this. So here the ratings are there now. Okay, there is ABB DO third 143 GE 8.3 kV max and GO4 3.5 kiloamperes. Okay, then press OK. Now my fuse, this one is now rated. Okay, now for drawing the current time characteristics, you have, there is one option here, this one, star protective device coordination. Okay, you have to select this one, and here this toolbox appear on the right side. Okay, and in this toolbox, just this is the first option, that is the create star view. Okay, just press it and this one appears. Okay, and it appears in some separate window. So these are the simply current time characteristics for the fuse. Okay, and on this you can, when you press here, and here the ratings, here comes the every information that is about this fuse. But if you want to change the manufacturer or any other ratings, so these characteristics appear accordingly. Okay, so let's try to change them again. So this one is the mode, and okay, and here in this I have minimized it, and let's change my fuse to some other model now. Okay, just I'm going to library again. I'm selecting some other model, and this, press it OK. Okay, and you see here that accordingly the characteristics changes. Okay, so this represents your time current characteristics for any particular fuse. Okay, so in the similar way, you can also be able to draw the characteristics for any cable or any circuit breakers or relays. Okay, so that is how to draw the characteristics for any fuse, or by changing the manufacturer or by changing the ratings, you can be able to change its characteristics. Okay, so this is all for today's lab work. Okay, thank you.